Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome to our channel Dawn of Chemistry. Right. In this video, of course, it is a little boring topic for some of students, but as a teacher I have to take everything. So I'm starting with this thing. Why should I study? This is the topic I have selected for this video. Why should I study? Of course, the students, whoever is studying from 1 to 10, 11 and 12, graduation and then post graduation, there is no problem with graduated people and then post graduated people. In that case they will have some clarity on their life, so they can manage things well, these graduates and postgraduates. Of course, some undergraduates will be facing some problems. I don't want to discuss about those things now here, as our main concern is from 1 to 10th standard and then plus 1 plus 2 case. This is the age where everybody will be going into the misleadings. From 1 to 12th, these students specifically in these groups have no idea on what is life and how the society will be and what are the different things they are going to face in the society. That's why, based on the myths they are knowing and based on the friends' words or based on the discussions between them, they will be floating in some wrong assumptions and they will be going in some wrong direction. In this video I will try to tell you some reality things what you should know, and based on them you have to mold yourself and you have to continue your career. That's why I wanted to make this video. And why should I study? This why should I study, what are the points that I am going to cover is from 1 to 12th standard students. Of course, first standard, second standard and others may not be watching this thing, especially the people who are below 12th standard or even 12th standard students also. They will be having, because in this age only, basically in the 11th and 12th standard age, your brain starts developing in enormous ways and it starts thinking in enormous ways. It explores the opportunities around you. Whether it is good or bad, it will not decide, but it can only makes you to enjoy the things around you. So in that case you will be definitely having some problem of differentiating the good and bad, so where you will be definitely going into a right direction or wrong direction. Remember one thing, below 12th, don't take any major decision regarding your life. Regarding your life, no major decision. Don't take any major decision below 12th standard. Even at UG level also, don't take them. When you go to the post graduation level, you would have faced so many obstacles and everything, so the decision of you will be very perfect in post graduation thing. So don't take any major decision. So try to depend on your parents' suggestion. Whatever the decision you are going to take, depend on your parents' decision. Follow the teacher's guidance. These two are the people in the world who will think about you. Your parents are the first persons to think about your future, and your teachers are the second persons to think about your future. Whatever the decision you are going to take in your below 12th standard, that may be regarding your career, that may be regarding your studies, that may be regarding your sports career, that may be regarding your musical career, or that may be regarding your any other decision things. And also don't take any major decision regarding your life without consulting these two people and try to follow them blindly. You can follow your parents and you can follow your teachers blindly. Remember this thing. You can follow your teachers, you can follow your parents blindly. Then only you will definitely successful in your life. So be careful with that thing. Follow your parents' decision and follow your teachers' decision. Blindly you can follow these two people. Right. Let us get into the topic. Why should I study? See, why everybody studies means the first thing, every human on this world is a different piece. That human being will have his own potentials, will have his own defects, and that particular human will be having some extra qualification. Every human will come with some extra qualification. He will become the brand ambassador of that particular quality. So he will be marketing his quality in the world. So in that process, always remember, every human will have some individual quality, and with that quality he will become the brand ambassador of that particular quality. That's why whether he will be successful or whether he will be a failure, with that particular quality only he is going to represent. The first thing, every human, why we are studying, why we are living, why we are fighting, and why we are roaming, whatever the thing we are doing, every human needs some, what you call, benefit, either in terms of fame, either in terms of money, either in sense of status in the society, either in terms of applause from their parents, or either in terms of getting some good, what you call, some good name in their relatives. And also for those things we will do some actions. If you do one action, definitely you will be expecting the appreciation. That is the main thing which drives the people to do the things in the society or out of these things. See, the first thing why we have to study is fame. Every human want proper position in life. So that's why if you can do well in your academics, definitely that is going to help some people either in direct way or indirect way. So that's why you want fame, means you have to do well. Of course you can find fame through the different qualities. I will tell you, in sports field you can get the fame, in theatrical field you can get the fame, in movie industry you can get the fame, in music industry you can get the fame. There are so many industries where you can get the fame. Not only this, education. Why we have to choose those things means I will tell you. Next thing, money. Everybody will work for money. Of course some people are already having money, so that's why they may not need money. So they might be working for fame, they might be studying for the fame. So money, everybody want to get good money. Everybody will get good money. So for earning money they will be studying. Basically, next thing, service. Remember this one thing, you want to serve any people in a great impact. You can serve simply by going outside, by putting an voluntary organization, and you can serve the people, but that service may not reach the maximum people. If you want to serve the maximum people, means through the education only. Education is the right platform through which you can serve the people in a better way. So remember that thing. So you want to create any meaningful change in anybody's life, means that will be through education only. Nothing can match education in this scenario. That's why education is the utmost priority thing. Either you study arts, either you study science, or either you study any other things, education is the main thing which helps you to create a meaningful change in anybody's life. If you take sports field, means through the sports field you can't create some meaningful changes in anybody's life. You can just entertain the people through the sports and all. If you go to the music field or singing field or dancing field, you can only entertain the people. You can't bring some meaningful changes in anybody's life. If you become a doctor, you can create some meaningful life. If you become an engineer, you can create some meaningful life in their thing. and if you become a scientist, through your inventions you can make some meaningful changes. So whatever the field you take, through the education field only you can bring enormous meaningful changes in the human beings life. So that is through education only you can do. That's why we have to study. Next you see happiness. So some students are there simply to keep their parents happy. My father is so and so, I have to be like him only. So they get motivated from their parents. My father is so and so, I should be like him. So they get motivated. Initially they will be studying to see happiness in their parents life, but as the time is going on they realizes the essence of the particular thing, and they will own that their father's profession, or they will own their mother's profession, or they will own their relatives profession, or they will own their family business. So those kind of things, initial up to 12th standard you will be having no proper clarity on what is life and what are the things around you. So that's why the real people who will be motivating you around is your parents and your teachers and your relatives only. That's why some students will be studying for their parents happiness. It is not a wrong thing. Initially and all, you have a goal that you should keep your parents happy. That's why you will be studying. Once you get to a proper position in life, means definitely you will be happy and you will enjoy the essence of the life what you are leading. So don't think that this is a bad thing, living for parents happiness. See, there is no wrong in that also. Your parents are living for your happiness, there is no wrong in living for your parents life. Nowadays some students are there, they are really quoting some very different kind of quotations, man. Nowadays we are seeing some quotations, right? Live your life. Why to worry about the parents? Why to worry about the relatives? Why to worry about the teachers? Of course it is good only, but as a human you will be a failure after living that kind of life. So as a person you should live some meaningful life. For whose sake you are living, for whose sake you are working, for whose sake you are eating, or for whose sake you are fighting. So all those things, there should be some meaningful fights or meaningful actions should be there in everybody's life. But some students are really doing this kind of things. Why should I live for my parents happiness? Anyhow they are happy. But actually see, if you are not successful, your parents will never be happy. Underline this word: if you are not successful, your parents will never be happy about your thing. So there is no wrong at all. So you study for your parents happiness, means there is no wrong in that thing. Ultimately parents will be happy because of your success only. If you are failure, means they will never be happy about you, right? This is one of the parameter why we will be studying. See, so far we have discussed why we will be studying. Majorly the students will be studying below 12th standard. I am not talking about the graduate students and postgraduate students and all, because they have clarity on what they are doing, because they have moved from this particular zone. In this zone only you will be having confusion. In that confusion, some of the major areas where the students will be focusing, I am explaining here. For fame they will be studying, for money, to earn good money. Some people will be there, they will be from poor economic backgrounds. They know the what are the problems they will be facing because of lack of money. So that's why they get motivated and they will be studying. They want to serve the people, so they will be studying. So they want to see the happiness in their parents faces, so they will be studying. So they understand. Because of all these parameters, basically you can classify students into 3 categories. This is my analysis, what I have observed. Some students are there, they study well, they don't they know, they have clarity on what they are doing, so they will study well. And the second category type of students are cat on wall type and decided not to study well. This category is somewhat danger zone category. I will tell you what are the properties and what are the things needed for moving from one zone to the another zone. If you are in the first zone, that is well and good. If you are in the second zone also, it is well and good. But if you are in the third zone, you have to work little more to jump into the zones, above zones. If you are in the above zone, that is really very good thing, ma. You can continue like that only. If you are in the second zone, mean that is also no problem. With your actions you can move to the top zone. Decided not to study well. This zone is very difficult zone, ma. From this zone also you can move to the top zones. See, this zone, why this will come means I will explain in the further things. See, the students who study well, they have self motivation because constantly they have idea. As I told before, the 4 parameters they are having. As I told you before, the 4 parameters are there. In those 4 parameters, these people will have clarity on in what parameter they are standing. So they get self motivation. They have clarity on the future. So what is going to happen to them in the future, they have a very good clarity on that thing. Strong motivation from parent side. Definitely this kind of people will get motivation from their parents, by looking at their parents difficulties and the hard work they are doing, they get motivated. Or for some people, students, the parents will be in a very good position and they will be having good name and fame in the society because of their services. So from the parents they get motivation. And from teachers, for some students are there, they really like the teachers like anything. So even some students will be liking the teachers more than their parents. That kind of effect or the affection they will show towards their teachers. And from environment also they will be getting motivated from the relative side and everything. These students have good clarity on the future, and whatever the things you do, you can never change these people. They will be in their track. What they need is some good support from their parents, from teachers in terms of concepts. So whenever some extra topics, whether they have to study or any some extra type of questions they have to do, that kind of support only they expect from the teachers. From parents end, they will expect them to support them by providing the books whatever they needed, by providing some spacious environment, or by providing some useful environment and peaceful environment surrounding them. Like that they will be expecting things from the surroundings. This much only they expect, they don't expect anything. Next, the other kind of students are there, cat on wall type. This kind of students need continuous time to time motivation. One day they will be studying well, for the next day they will come down, again they will study well. This kind of fluctuations will be present, but this kind of students need continuous time to time motivation, needs continuous evaluation. So whatever the exams they are writing, whatever the things they are doing, they need to evolve those things time to time, needs guidance. The teachers or parents has to support them like anything. From their support, definitely they will be doing miracles. If there is no parent support or no teacher support, means they will become into the third zone. As I told you, they decides not to study. If the support is there, means they will go into the first zone. That's why I am calling this zone as cat on wall type. Needs support. Definitely time to time they need support, either from parents end or either from teachers. And these two are, I am mentioning very clearly, these two people, these two are the real game changers in every student life. There will be no third person who will be bringing change in their life. So that's why I'm mentioning them. Be careful with these things. So these cat on wall type students, they need support always, and they have to evaluate themselves, they have to plan properly, and they have to do everything. And next, let us see, decided not to do well. This is the category where you have to worry about. They are least bothered of academics. They gives their own philosophies. Let us say Thomas Alva Edison says, there is a quotation of him, see, 3 hours of exam will not decide my intelligence. That is correct only. These people will take this quotation and they don't know anything, and they will not be having any clarity on the concept or whatever the things are happening. They will be repeatedly pronouncing this statement. The same Alva Edison says that 100% success comes with the perspiration only, not motivation also, perspiration only it will come. So if you work hard you will be successful, if you don't work hard you will never be successful. But these people will not mention that statement. These people only says that 3 hours exam does not decide my intelligence, simply to skip the exams. This kind of philosophies these people will be mentioning, and they will say Sachin is a dropout from the 10th standard, and this iPhone, Steve Jobs is the dropout from universities. So this kind of statements they will be taking, and they will be comparing these people with them. That is actually not a good thing, ma. Those kind of successful people only has given you and has told you the importance of education in their many statements. So try to go through those kind of statements also. Definitely that will be helpful to you people. Quotes, all time quotations of popular persons. Only one quotation they will say in one way. It doesn't mean that they are telling you to do that thing and all. They are telling you that in their life they have faced those kind of things, and they have given you some adverse quotations also. So why can't you follow that kind of things? Next, takes every motivation in a negative feedback. This is the very very bad thing we are pronouncing about these people here. Why I am mentioning this here means, every time you try to speak them, either their parents, either their teachers, anybody is approaching them and talking about them, means they will take it as in a negative way. That is not correct thing. Your parents and your teachers are the only two people who will be thinking about you and your welfare in the future also. So that's why try to accept them, try to listen to them, then only you can be a good person. No parent will tell you some bad things, or no parent will tell you in such a way that you will get spoiled. Definitely they will be telling in your favor only. So whenever they are speaking to you, try to take it in a positive way. Here I have kept decided not to study. I am not keeping. They decided not to study well. That means they want only 35 marks. They don't want any more marks. So they want to enjoy the life. So see, you are having a 100 years of life. If you enjoy all your life in less than 18 only, what you will achieve, or what you are going to enjoy in the remaining 82 days? You have to work in such a way that whatever you are doing in this childhood age, they are going to reflect in your middle age, and they are going to reflect you in the final age also. So you have to see the life in such a way that you have a great life in less than 18 years only. That too only 16, 17 and 18 only they want to do all this kind of stuff. After 18 what you will do? Now only you enjoy, means. So try to get some stability, or try to get some good position, try to get some impression about you, then only you can do. Next, you see, becomes like this on lack of proper guidance. This is only some people are there, some people gets bored of the motivation, they will become like this. Some people will be there because of lack of proper guidance, they will become like that, because they may not be having proper environment to study. That, as I told you, cat on wall type students are there, right? Because of lack of guidance and all, they will be jumping into this category. Becomes like this because of not understanding them properly. Some students will be there, they are really, they will be having a real worth in them, but the parent or the teacher sometimes, because of their frustration or because of their work pressure, they will not be judging him properly, so that they get upset of that kind of teacher or student, or based on any incident in their life from parent side or teacher side, they will get a conclusion about them. So try to understand, this kind of coming to the conclusion will not help you. You should not decide them with one incident or two incidents or three incidents. If teacher is there, means he is an outside person. With one or two incidents you cannot judge that teacher. Parents, you cannot judge your parents by any kind of situations. There, you should never judge your parents. They will be always do good for you. Even in the particular second it looks like they are harming you, but after, if you carefully observe their actions after 1 or 2 months, definitely you will realize that that was only good for you, the thing. So try to don't misunderstand your parents, or don't misunderstand your teachers. And repetitive criticism makes them. So this kind of people, either teachers or either parents, since he is not listening or since she is not listening whatever many times you say, and they get they start criticizing them. This is the worst part. Definitely this will create a bad impact on the students. So repetitive criticism makes these people, so you have to take care about these students very carefully. Either teacher or either parent should deal these kind of people very gently, so then only these people will be successful. Let us see one more. So what are the things we have to do towards these people? These people need some extra care, myths of them to be resolved. So they will be staying in some hallucinations and some conclusions they will give. As I told you, every student below 18 should not have any good conclusion about his academics. He should not take any bigger decisions regarding their life below 18, because of their adolescence also they will be doing some unwanted things and everything. You should not do these kind of things until 18. After 18, whatever the decision is there, try to take consult with parents and take the decision. But below 18, you should never take any decision regarding your life. Definitely you will be successful. Don't take any decision regarding your life below 18 without support from your parents and teachers. Should give them live examples. So if you do like this kind of things you are going to face in your life. This kind of things you do means, if you don't study means this you will do. If you take this kind of drinks or something means you will become like this. If you do this kind of things means, you have to show them some live examples. Then there is a chance that some of these people will come into the good category. Should make them understand reality. So you have to tell them very clearly, this is our economical position, this is our social position, this is our the responsibility. So these are the things we are having. So you should not become like this. At least you should have some minimum things and all. Next, maybe having interest in other field. This is one of the reason why they decided just to do well. See, they might be interested in the sports field or music field or a dance field, in any other field than this studying field. So that's why also they will be behaving like that. So this is the things regarding the types of students. What are the different types of students we are having, and what are the actions we can do to bring them into the proper track, and what are the things we have to do towards their welfare. So types of students are study well students are there. These people needs only proper support and time to time material support, time to time different types of questions support from their parents or teachers or anybody. And health they have to take care of very well, because sometimes every time they will be doing well before the day of exam or exactly at the time of exam they get or they may be get attacked by illness. So that's why those things they have to take care of. These people are there, they needs continuous motivation, needs continuous evaluation, need guidance and need support from the parents and teachers. These people decides because of these are the things what I have observed in those students. So with these things they will be in this zone, otherwise definitely they will also do well. And as a parent or teacher, these students expect support. If you are student, why I am telling this video for students means, you realize where you are falling. Either you are falling in this category, either you are falling in this category, either you are falling in this category. Try to speak with your parents or speak with your teachers. Definitely they will help you to come into a different zone. If you stay in this zone means, definitely it will not help you at any cost. So that is the thing. And why I am making this is, just some of the students I have made because of lack of proper guidance, they will be losing their beautiful career. Once you lose this 16 to 18 age means, definitely you will face so many problems in the upcoming graduation and postgraduate levels also. So try to have proper character, build the proper character up to 18. In undergraduate level it will become strong for you people. So that's why don't create any adverse character below 18. Try to have a positive character, either from towards the parent side, or either towards society, or either towards the teachers. Try to have a positive character, and that will become strong in the undergraduation level, and it will excel in the PG level, and after that you will become a good human being. Everybody, they want to live a peaceful and happy and respectful life. So for that thing, different people will choose different methods. This video, this is the thing what I wanted to tell you people. In the next video I will be making how to study. So these are the different categories of students we are having, these people, and what are the different techniques we have to use to study or to excel in our academics. That's what I will be putting in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, Dawn of Chemistry by AP Sir. Thank you.